Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I'm Alex.
Hi, everyone. I'm Maya. It's wonderful to have you here with us again.
Today, we are going to practice another very useful daily English conversation.
Yes, today's topic is asking for recommendations.
This is something we do all the time in daily life.
At restaurants, stores, while traveling, or even with friends.
And the good news is, it's very easy in English.
Today, you will learn how to ask for suggestions politely and naturally.
You will also hear different kinds of conversations that people use every day.
For today's role play, I will play the customer, friend, and shopper in different situations.
And I will role play as the waiter, store worker, and friend.
Later, we may switch roles so you can hear different ways to speak English naturally.
So speak with us and practice out loud.
All right, everyone.
Let's begin our English role play. First, let's visit a restaurant.
Alex, I'm really hungry today.
Perfect. Let's go to a restaurant.
This place looks nice.
Yes, and I heard the food here is excellent.
That's great, but I don't know what to order.
Then this is a perfect time to ask for a recommendation.
Good idea.
Now I will role play as the waiter.
And I will role play as the customer. Now, let's practice asking for food recommendations.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
Our pasta is very popular.
Oh, that sounds good.
We also have a spicy chicken sandwich.
Which one do you like more?
I would recommend the pasta.
Is it spicy?
No, not very spicy.
Perfect. I don't eat very spicy food.
Then I think you will really enjoy it.
All right. I'll try the pasta.
Excellent choice.
Can you also recommend a drink?
Sure. Our fresh lemonade is very refreshing.
That sounds perfect for today.
Great. One pasta and one lemonade.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, let's ask a friend for suggestions.
Sometimes we ask friends for recommendations, too.
Yes, especially for movies, books, restaurants, or places to visit.
I ask my friends for recommendations all the time.
Same here. It saves time and helps us discover new things.
All right. This time, I will role play as a friend asking for suggestions.
And I will role play as a friend giving recommendations. Let's practice a friendly conversation.
Alex, can you recommend a good movie?
Sure. I recently watched a comedy movie that was really funny.
Nice. What's the name of the movie?
It's called Weekend Escape.
What is it about?
It's about three friends who go on a short trip, but everything goes wrong in a funny way.
Haha, that sounds interesting.
Yes, it's very entertaining.
Is it good for family watching?
Definitely. It's funny and lighthearted.
Great. I'll check it out this weekend.
I think you'll enjoy it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
Anytime, let's visit a store and ask for recommendations.
You can also ask for recommendations while shopping.
Exactly. People often ask store workers for help before buying products.
Especially when there are too many choices.
That's true.
This time, I will role play as the customer.
And I will role play as the store worker. Let's practice shopping English.
Excuse me, can you recommend a good shampoo?
Of course. This one is very popular for dry hair.
Oh, nice. Is it expensive?
Not really. It's affordable and works well.
Does it smell nice?
Yes, it has a fresh and natural fragrance.
That sounds good.
Many customers buy this brand regularly.
Okay, I think I'll try it.
Good choice.
Can you also recommend a face wash?
Sure, this one is gentle and good for sensitive skin.
Perfect. I'll take that too.
Great.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Now, let's ask for travel recommendations.
People also ask for recommendations while traveling.
Yes, especially when visiting a new city.
You can ask locals about good restaurants, tourist places, or shopping areas.
Exactly.
Now I will role play as a tourist.
And I will role play as a local person. Let's practice travel English.
Excuse me, can you recommend a good place to visit nearby?
Sure, you should visit the city park.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only 10 minutes away.
What can I do there?
You can walk around the lake, take pictures, and enjoy local food.
That sounds relaxing.
It's especially beautiful in the evening.
Great. I'll go there later today.
I hope you enjoy it. Let's have a friendly conversation.
Alex, do you usually ask for recommendations?
Yes, especially when I visit a new restaurant.
Same here. I like trying new food.
And asking locals is often the best idea.
That's true. They usually know the best places.
Do your friends give good recommendations?
Usually, yes, especially for movies and cafes.
My friends always recommend good coffee shops.
That sounds useful.
That was simple and practical English.
Yes, asking for recommendations is very common in daily life.
Let's review some useful phrases.
What do you recommend?
Can you recommend a good movie?
Which one do you like more?
I would recommend this one.
Can you recommend a good place to visit?
Very easy and natural English. Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
What do you recommend?
Can you recommend a good movie?
Which one do you like more?
I would recommend this one.
Can you recommend a good place to visit?
Excellent job.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Today, we learn how to ask for recommendations in English.
These sentences are simple, useful, and natural.
You can use them at restaurants, stores while traveling, or with friends.
Remember, simple English is powerful.
Don't wait for perfect English. Just speak and practice every day.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
Thank you for learning with English Tour.
See you in the next episode. Bye.